Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I'm delighted to make this kind of videos, dear followers, and show you and help you finding the best property in our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region, and help you with the buy, sale, and of course with the rent of the real estate properties here. I'm now in La Mata, and today we have a very nice apartment that is located here on the third floor of this building that is called Edificio Madrid for La Mata. It's a well-known place de los Europeos of La Mata. Straight here we have the weekly market on which you can buy the fruits and vegetables without driving. You just go by the stairs to the street, and straight here every week, Wednesday, you can buy in this week's market. 200 meters away from La Mata Beach, top location. This community garden belongs to this building too, and we're just maybe 200 meters from La Mata Center, on which you have all the services, bars, restaurants, and everything that you need for a regular life. This community also have a private bar, so you can go down here and take your drinks. Let's see now. Just quick, in this nice garden area we also have a shower. When you go after the beach, you can have a quick shower here, and also a barbecue area on this side there. And now follow me, I will show you the building from inside. What I like that this building is very good kept from outside and from inside. They did it all new tiles. You have two elevators, and a very big advantage of this community that we also have communal parking. So all the neighbors can park the car when it's a place here, outside here is for the community. So you have a gate there that you can open, and you can park your car inside the community. So that works very good. And now friends, follow me, and we will use one of these two elevators that we have here, and I will show you the nice apartment that is located up there. So friends, we are on the third floor. As you see, on the front we have the elevator, and straight here the entrance to this nice apartment that has 50 square meters size. So on the right side, straight here, we have the kitchen. It's in very good condition with new tiles, ready to move in. Here in this apartment, you must not to do nothing unless if you want to have everything modern, but everything is done and everything is ready to move in or to rent it out. We have small wardrobe here to storage things. It's a very nice solution. Now check out this bedroom with shower plate, and we also have here the wash machine. Tiles are also new. Bathroom is renovated. Look of the color of the tiles, looks very nice and modern. The walls, but they was already new done and painted. All the walls, all the painting is already done. Check out the doors. We also have nice white color modern doors, so you can split the kitchen area with the living area. Everything that you see here is included in the price, furniture and the white goods. We have AC machine that is also new. This bedroom with a nice solution to save place that they did here. It's this slide glass door, and we have a wardrobe that is occupying all the wall. A lot of space to storage your clothes and things. And of course, friends, look at this big slide door that drives us to this south-facing 10 square meter terrace, in which you can sit here and enjoy with family, friends. And we have a side sea view to La Mata Beach, and also nice green area here of this community that belongs to this building. Check it out, please. It looks very nice. We have open view. On the right side, we can see the nature park of La Mata. It will be never built there, and behind the National Road. So this is an amazing opportunity to get your apartment just 200 meters to La Mata Beach. And as I told before, it works very good if you want to rent it out. I personally seen the bookings of this apartment that owner showed me, and believe me, this apartment rents very good because the location, because the renovation, because the south-facing terrace is big. So yes, this apartment has it all. 139,000 euro for this apartment is a good price. Contact me for more details if you need any details about this apartment or any other property, maybe something similar. Subscribe this channel, share this video please with your family, friends and lovers, give us a like, and I'll see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.